Lisbon, the capital of Portugal, is a city that enchants with its energy and timeless charm. Situated along the Tagus River, it has been a crossroads of culture and history for millennia. Strolling through its streets means immersing yourself in a mosaic of colors and sounds, from the yellow trams rattling along the hills to the melancholic fado songs echoing in the alleys of Alfama. This neighborhood, the oldest in the city, is a labyrinth of cobblestone streets, colorful houses, and miraduros, the panoramic viewpoints offering spectacular vistas. Lisbon is also a city of grand monuments. The Belém Tower, an icon of the Age of Discoveries, and the Jerónimos Monastery, with its splendid Gothic Manueline cloister, are must-see landmarks.